Let us learn الحرف صاد, the letter صاد with the short vowels. The sound of the letter صاد with the فتحة is ص. The sound of the letter صاد with the ضمة is ص. The sound of the letter صاد with the كسرة is ص. The sound of the letter صاد with the long vowels. The sound of the letter صاد with the long vowel a, صا. The sound of the letter صاد with the long vowel oo, صو. The sound of the letter صاد with the long vowel e, صي. The sound of the letter صاد with the absence of the short vowels السكون أص. The letter صاد changes shape depending on its position in a word. Let's see some examples. The word صباح starts with the letter صاد and it means morning. The word صحن starts with the letter صاد and it means a plate. The word عصير has a letter صاد in the middle and it means juice. The word حصان has the letter صاد in the middle and it means horse. The word باص ends with the letter صاد and it means a bus. The word صوص has the letter صاد at the end and at the beginning and it means a baby chick.